PARLYM Group, a major player in the engineering sector, supports the energy transition and uses its know-how of more than 50 years for the benefit of civil and defense nuclear projects. We specialize in the areas of design, consulting, assistance, supervision and project management, as well as inspection. Our expertise extends to the American SCUG method, which defines essential criteria for establishing analogies, often avoiding the need for complex calculations. With extensive experience and a national presence, we offer quality solutions to meet the needs of our clients. Our Nuclear Engineering Center is made up of more than 100 engineers and technicians working in our design department. We provide our clients with our recognized expertise in calculation, design, project monitoring, and implementation in the areas of general installation, mechanics, tools, metal framing, and EIA. Our teams are experts in design and calculation tools such as NSYS, pipe stress, beam stress, CATIA, E3D, and SolidWorks, as well as standards specific to nuclear equipment including RCCM, RCCE, and Eurocodes. We also operate in technical assistance with more than 200 engineers, designers, and technicians closely participating in the development of our clients' projects. We are able to deploy and manage remote engineering platforms for our clients nationally. We work on a wide range of new build or revamped projects throughout France and Europe. Each of our projects is carried out in strict compliance with regulatory requirements for the protection of interest and nuclear safety. Our Quality, Health, Safety and Environment Department manages the quality management system ISO 9001, but also ISO 19443 and CEFRI for our radiation protection policy. Our historical presence in the sector has enabled us to obtain more than 30 multi-year framework contracts with the largest clients in the nuclear sector, such as EDF, Technicatom, Orano, Framatome, CEA, as well as most of nuclear manufacturers specialized in mechanics and general installation. With continued growth, PARLYM supports its customers through tailor-made engineering solutions. PARLYM, Energy and Synergy.